So what happens when you take this and this and try to make art? Let me show you. Maybe you'll chainsaw carve an avocado.
It's an avocado.
Or a block of cheese.
Who cut the cheese?
Maybe we need an animal.
Thanks.
What about a strawberry penguin? Too crazy? Let's go more normal. How about an owl and its baby?
I'll only have eyes for you.
Nah, let's go weird again.
Oh my god.
There you go. And there's some things you could make with these.
Like and follow and share.
It took me editing that video to realize I didn't put his eyeballs back on when I repainted his white eyes the other day. My bad. So here we go. Oh my god. Enjoy.